Hope you enjoy our video.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my podcast. This is Spark, Stories, Perspectives, and Real Knowledge. With your host, I'm Dragon. Today, we are going to talk about the development of e-money and its impact on social life. But before we start, I'd like to introduce to our sponsor. This is called Teh Kotak. It's an Indonesian jasmine tea and it's an Indonesian brand. It comes with variety of flavor. What I have in me is in jasmine tea flavor, the original one, and an apple flavor. I really recommend this tea and it's really good. Shall we head on? I'm going to introduce to our guests. As you can see right here, we have our three seats, which they are going to be three lovely guests. Shall we introduce them? You can come in. Hello. Take a seat, take a seat. These are three lovely guests. You can introduce the guests.
Hello guys, my name is Ayat. Hello guys, my name is Sally.
Hello guys, my name is Ian. And I will discuss the matter with these persons. Shall we start with the questions? The first question is, how often do you guys use cash compared to digital payments like cards or mobile apps?
Okay, I use digital payments and cash equally, about half and half. Digital payments are convenient, but I still rely on cash for smaller purchases or in places where digital options aren't available.
Second question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using e-money that you experience personally?
The advantage is that it is more practical and faster, but the disadvantage is that our data can be stolen.
The third question, can you think of any situations where you felt limited by not having access to e-money?
When I'm in a place that only accepts e-money, I get confused if I only bring cash.
Okay. The fourth question, how has the rise of e-money changed the way you shop or pay for things?
Oh, I shop only more often and buy by QR scan because it is faster.
Okay. The next question, do you think e-money has made it easier or harder for young people to manage their money? Why?
E-money can make it easier for you people to manage their money because transactions are recorded automatically.
Moving on, have you noticed any changes in the way you and your friends socialize since the rise of e-money?
Yes, I've noticed that with e-money, we don't have to worry about carrying cash anymore, which makes things easier. For example, if we split bill at a restaurant, everyone can just transfer their part directly. It's faster and we don't have to think about small change.
Moving on to the next question. What are your biggest concerns about using e-money?
My biggest concerns about using e-money are security, privacy, and unexpected fees. I worry about my account being hacked, my personal data being shared without any consent, and sometimes hidden fees or extra charges that I might not notice right away.
Okay, next. Have you ever heard about online scams or fraud related to e-money? And how can we prevent this from happening?
1. We can be careful by not sharing personal data and using strong password.
Moving on, do you think there are any restrictions that should be placed of using e-money? Why or why not?
Maybe you need an age limit so that children understand the risks better before starting to use it.
Moving on, how do you think e-money will evolve in the next 5 to 10 years?
In the next 5 to 10 years, e-money will likely be faster, more secure, and widely accepted. New technology will make payments easier with options like biometric security and even digital currencies from countries for simpler international transactions.
Next, what are some new features of technologies that you would like to see in e-money system?
Okay, I want extra security features like biometric verification, fingerprint or face for every transaction.
Okay, we are down to the last question of today's session. For the last question is, do you think we will ever reach a completely cashless society? Why or why not?
Okay, maybe it's possible, but it still takes time, especially for areas that don't much digital access.
That's it for today's session. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm with your host Andra.
I'm Aya.
I'm Sally.
And I am Tia.
Don't forget to
Like,
Comment.
And subscribe.
my YouTube channel.
thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
See you next time.
Jadinya Shirley.
Iya, aku awalnya mau dinamain Yuki.
Yuki Kato.
Yuki, Yuli dan Basuki.